Hey guys, and welcome to Simple Trade. Today was a terrible day for me. I'm up today $578, but it was a terrible day for me, and I would like to share with you what actually happened. Basically, I'm not used to share how many shares I'm actually trading, but over here it's very unique, and I would like to share with you guys. So I traded today with 6 trades in the overall, and you can see the losses and the profit over here. But let's start with the CYH. CYH. The whole market, I was very disappointing today because the whole market was up. The SPY reached it to a new highs. The most of the sectors was green today. So there was plenty of opportunities at the beginning of the trading session, but I was not able to gain profit, and I was frustrating at the beginning. So let's move to CYH, and you will understand what actually happened and what I actually did, and I hope you will learn something from the session of today. So at the beginning was the first trade was CYH. CYH, I tried to take CYH for kind of a momentum trade over here. Just beneath the price of $9. My first risk was 2 cents, and I was frustrating because I saw the high volume over here at the beginning of the trading session. The stock, the price was correcting, a very slight correction, and I was kicked out from the trade. And over here I was chasing the trade, so eventually I was so frustrating because I saw it kind of correcting down, but after that it jumped higher to new highs, and I was didn't understand what actually happened. So I was kind of chasing the stock over here, and you could see that I took more risk than I used to. And I took the risk over here was 10 cents, and I will lost $840 because I was chasing the stock. I decided to stop for a second from the trading, drink something like a glass of water, and to start trading it again because I was very emotional in this specific trade. It was at the beginning of the trading session, and you guys know that the first trade, the second trade also, I'm profitable surely at the first hour of the trading session. So over here I was down like around half an hour, around $900. It was frustrating at the first place, but after that I was shaking up myself, and I will start to trade it again. So after that was AEHR on this specific stock. There was kind of a halt over here, so I decided to take AEHR with 12,000 shares at the price of $4.86. It was around over here. The stock was very volatility, and it was correcting the whole increases over here, and I just placed an stop loss at the entry price because I knew, and I was so aggressive, and I know how I'm trading. It was very perfect because I'm focusing on a specific trade. And one of the important things that you need to understand, that while you are trading, you need to know if the trade is going in your direction, you go with it. But if it's not going in your direction, there is kind of correction, so you can go out from the trade, and after that there is another trade. So it's actually pretty good. So you can see that most of my losses was $90, $81, $140, but eventually I'm trading with the amount of quantity that it's very large, 7,000, 6,000. Over here it's 12,000. Over here today I was focusing about 6,000 to 7,000. This is very unique for me over here, 12,000. And because of that I was cut the trade with a loss, small loss, $81. But you can see that after that most of the trades was profitable, just with small profit of 20 cents over here. Over here also 20 cents. So it's very important that while you're trading, that you need to be focused about your emotional while you are trading. So most of the time, you know that I'm trading with like 4 trades. 4 trades, this is the max of the day, but over here I traded 6 trades eventually. But I'm up 578. The first 4 trades was terrible for me, and I was, like I said before, very disappointing for myself because when you are picking the stocks and you decided to enter to open a position, you know what you're looking for. As a day trader, you know what you're looking for. If it's the kind of pattern, if it's the volume, if it's for the uptrend, the downtrend, if it's the price of the stock, but eventually you know what you're looking for. And over here, it was very, very frustrating while you're picking the stocks that you want to trade and you know how to trade, but they're not going your direction. So I was down at the beginning for around $1,000. $1,000 at first, but after that, I was able to gain up again and to be green for the day. Let's move to EYEG, for example, that I gained $714 at the price of $3.58 around this kind of level to the 5 minute chart. So you can see that it's kind of consolidation on this price over here. So I decided to open a position and to ride with the stock for the uptrend because the stock is rising today by increasing its value by 110%. So I was able to gain profit in this specific trade. Also with INSY, I opened a position at $12.24 after this consolidation and a breakout of the resistance level. And I was able to gain profit around 20 cents. The main thing or the main lesson that I can give you and provide you guys is to eliminate your all emotion, So if the trade is, like I said, heading and going in your direction, if there is the breakout or the breakdown, placing your stop loss at the entry price and you're not risking the trade, so this is pretty awesome. And if there is loss, the important thing is to be with a small loss, that you can gain and to be profit eventually. Because if you are down and after that you not really know yourself as a day trader and as a trader like in the overall, you can lose money and you can lose more. But you need to be focused and to understand that one of the important things that a day trader need to know is to do the same thing 1,000 times, the same thing, the same pattern, the same trade, the whole trade 1,000 times. And while you are doing that, you get improved while trading, and it's very, very important to understand that. So, like I said, I'm up 578, but it was a terrible, terrible day for me. And I hope you guys understand something what actually happened because the whole general market was up today. The SPY, like I said, recorded a new highs. Also, there was plenty of opportunities, but I picked those. And eventually, like if you will go to CYH first trade over here, so eventually there was kind of false breakout, and after that was declining, and with a slight increase after that. So eventually, I know that I'm with loss in the first trade, but you can see that I was chasing the stock. It's very important not to chase the stock because, like I said, like you can see it over here, there is plenty of opportunities. This was very important, and I hope you understand that, guys. And if you have more questions that you willing to ask, you can write it over here or leave a comment. Of course, I'll be more than happy to guide you and assist you more and provide you the information that you know that you need to know as day trader. So I hope we will see you tomorrow, guys, at the trading room, of course. And I hope we will have another successful day tomorrow with the green on the screen. I hope you understand the importance of the stop loss, the importance of the trades that you pick, and actually when to cut the trade if it's not heading in your direction, because this is the key to be a successful trader. Have a lovely day, guys. Until then, trade simple.